Hello everyone, welcome to Just for Hearts, your wellness partner. This is Saili, your yoga expert. So today I am going to show you some exercises that will boost your immunity and help you to fight with the COVID situations. So let's have a look on it, what exercises and what yoga poses we can do. The first exercise is the rabbit pose. As we all know, lying down in supine pose, it helps us to breathe well as our lungs are open and we breathe a lot, take oxygen in more amount. So we will try to do this posture and maintain it for longer time. So let's have a look on it. You have to sit in Vajrasana first, then split your legs like this apart and you will go down as much as you can. You just have to take your fingers forward and breathe in and out in this posture. Try to breathe as much as you can. Inhale, exhale. Be there. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Inhale, exhale. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out, and slowly you will walk back to the normal posture. Our second asana is cobra pose. So let's have a look how we can do it. Get into tabletop posture, take your both the legs back, go down on your knees and take your chest down. Your head is down like this, your toes are turning outside, your hands are like this. From this posture, we will take our head up, our hands near our chest, and we will go up like this. Raise our chest up as much as you can. Till your navel you will raise up. This is called cobra pose. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out over here. And slowly you will go down. Our next asana is bridge pose. Lie down on your back and you will lift your waist up. Take your waist up, inhaling. You can support your waist with your hands. Try to hold this posture and breathe. Keep breathing. Slowly down. These three yoga poses will help you to boost your immunity at the most and help you to stay away from the COVID infection. Try doing this pose for longer time as much as you can and take deep breath in and deep breath out when you do these things. So this will help you to increase your immunity, take all the toxins out from your body and maintain your oxygen levels, boost your lung capacity. So try doing this. Hope you like my video. Share, subscribe and like my channel. Thank you.